Guys, hello. This is my second attempt recording this video. The first one is failed. But what I want to share in this video is the tool that I built recently that lets you convert your Figma design into Bubble. So let me show you. Let's say we are building on this dashboard and I want to convert this sidebar into Bubble. But instead of going to the Bubble and doing it all manually, I can just go here, click this button, wait for some time, then go to my Bubble application, go to the actual app, then delete everything we have here. Next, open the Chrome extension that we have, and here we will see the sidebar that we converted. Then we go here and click the Command V to paste it, and we have the element here. So as you see, this is the ready to use Bubble element that it is almost perfect conversion from Figma to Bubble. Maybe you will need some adjustments that you want to make it perfect, but it's a ton of time for me personally. Right now, when I'm working on the client projects or doing something for myself, I play with ideas in Figma and just click a button to get like ready to use the foundation, foundation of my Bubble application, like a huge time saver. How it works? Basically, the plugin, we output the JSON Bubble component that is where the values mapped from the Figma to Bubble, like colors, fonts, sizes, and other. Maybe if you're interested, I will make one more video going in like deep about how I build it, like to show you some code and stuff. But overall, it's just mapping everything that you have in Figma into Bubble that you can then paste into your page and have this component visible and ready to use. How to use it? First of all, you will need to go to the transform.biznexa.co, create your account. The website looks like this. I will leave all the links in the description. You create your account, you go inside, you then have your code here that you can copy. You can copy your code, you download the Chrome extension via link from this link go to the Chrome web store. This link go to the Figma community to download the plugin. So you'll need the Chrome extension to access your generations and Figma plugin to make the generation, and also the help center here. So we copied everything we need. We go here, we go to the user token page, we input the token, we click it save to activate the plugin. Then we also have the tag section that lets you mark some of the elements as native Bubble elements. You can actually just forget about this and just like save some time and do this after you have the conversion in place if you want. But this also can simplify your life because you can mark this as a button that what I already did. So basically I just press the button tag to apply the tag for this node. Make sure that you apply it for the actual nodes and not for the actual, like, the components that will be a button in Bubble, not the group that contains them, because I found that I missed a couple of times this. So if you mark this as a button, it will convert this whole group as a one button. At least try to convert it. The same goes for the inputs. So let me show you. If you find some form here, for example, this one, try to convert the actual input like right here, like it's called basic here for some reason, but not the label, because label, like if you convert this whole group as an input, it's not going to apply the borders and other. It will just have like a bad output. But still, it's like just a minor detail. You can always do this post on like a post production. As you have the Bubble component ready, just go and make it perfect there. Next, what I want to show. So yeah, this what we have, like a input button, drop down, multi-line image. This is useful when you build in some landing pages and you have a whole, like a big group, the section that you want to make as an image. So the image tag basically will take a whole whole group that you marked as an image and just convert it as an actual image, and yeah, and you will have the image element in bubble. Yeah, let's convert something else. So it's quite easy to use. We have the limitation for the 1000 nodes per conversion. What does it mean? If you click on some of the components in Figma, you will see like a node count here. You can convert no more than 1000 nodes per conversion. But what I want to say, try to make more conversions with less nodes. This way you have the better output, from what I notice. So if I how I usually build it, I just go section by section, converting the elements and perfecting it in bubble. So I'm just selecting, clicking convert, for example, on this header section. Oh, by the way, don't forget that we mark this as a button. I will show you in a second. So now if we'll go to our application, we have this header here already, and then let's paste it here. And then what I want to do is make it on top. So you will notice that if you have the icon in Figma, button with icons, it will convert for the native bubble button with the icon support. But all the icons will set to the default, these square icons. Why I made it like this? Because for now I cannot think like the way to identify what icon type you use. Maybe some like AI support later. You can, by the way, you can share some ideas if you have some thoughts how I can do this. But for now, it's still default to the one icon, the square one. But you are free to go and change it for the icon you want and change the library you want to use. The bubble have a lot of things to choose from. But you will have the native icon support, and if your button is with just icon, it will also support it. So you will have the button, like icon button. So why it's useful? It can be useful in this case. So I can mark this as a button, and this will convert it as a button element with the icon. So it might be useful for some reason. Also, try to, like what is auto layout in Figma? If you use Figma, because it's like the foundation. It's like the thing that allow you to build like a responsive designs. Try to stick with auto layout as much as possible. The good thing is, even if you do not have auto layout, if you'll see you will select, try to just go and click on the auto layout to enable this. Usually, yeah, sometimes it can break the designs, but usually if you go and select the component that you already made, click on auto layout, it is smart enough to make the auto layout almost like perfect. So you will just click auto layout and it's ready. Why it's auto layout is better? Because it will have your foundation of responsive designs into and map it into bubble. I don't know who is building the fixed width and fixed height right now, and just before your conversions, before working with this plugin, if you will like to, just go spend 5 minutes to go component by component, group by group, to make this with the auto layout support. This way you will get much better output overall. If you need help using them, maybe you only need just to understand what to do and stuff, go to the help section. It's here on your account. On top, it's like a couple of 4 pages of documentation. I explained everything related to the installing Chrome extension, installing the Figma plugin, and working with the Nexa transform. By the way, yeah, I didn't say anything about the Chrome extension. So as you generated the component, what is the Chrome extension is useful for? You install the Chrome extension. Basically, you have the place where you have all your generations ready to copy. Why it's like this? Because it's the easiest way to make it here nearby, that without changing tabs, going to the separate page to copy the actual ready to use design, the generation. And yeah, by clicking the copy button, you just go here and you click Control V or Command V, depends on your platform, and it's here, you have your design ready. So this is it. Go try it yourself, leave some thoughts, leave some comments, what you think about it. Let me know how I can improve it, or maybe you'll find something that is working bad that I can fix and can make it better. but overall, it's quite easy to use. It's like just a simple thing, just one. Basically, what it's doing is just converting your designs. I hope you will find some value in this. I hope you will find it useful. And thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.